Already have your Facebook ads account set up, but don't know how to connect it with your Shopify store? In this video, I'll show you how to connect your existing Meta Pixel using Google Tag Manager.
First, install the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app from the Shopify App Store and open it inside your Shopify store. From the dashboard, enable theme activation. Once it's enabled, copy the code provided by Wixpa. Then go to Shopify settings, open customer events, click Add Custom Pixel, give it a name, paste the copied code, set the permissions to not required, save it, and connect the pixel. Now return to the Wixpa GTM dashboard and go to the Pixels section. Click Add Pixel and connect your Google account. Sign in with your Google account. After signing in, create a new GTM container if needed, and click Save. Next, select Facebook from the available platforms. Enter a name for your pixel and paste your Meta Pixel ID and click Save. The setup may take a few minutes while the data starts populating. Once the pixel is created, open your Google Tag Manager container. You'll notice that Wixpa has automatically created all the required tags and triggers. Next, click Preview in Google Tag Manager, enter your Shopify store URL, and connect your website using Tag Assistant. Browse your store like a customer. Visit a product page, add an item to the cart, begin the checkout process. Return to GTM preview mode, and you'll see that events like page view, view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase are firing successfully. This confirms that your Meta Pixel is working correctly and tracking customer activity on your Shopify store.
That's it! Your Meta Pixel is now connected through Google Tag Manager and ready to help you measurize your Facebook ad campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Shopify tutorials.